Now then, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're checking out this 8-in-1 laptop stand from Mukiya. Okay, so inside this box, we've got a laptop stand from a company called Mukiya. So this is an 8-in-1 laptop stand. Tons of stuff going on with this. It's got a foldable design. As you can hopefully see, there's a little diagram just on the front of the box there. So this folds out, flips up, and you can do it multiple levels, different heights, etc., etc. But we will get some close-ups and show the laptop stand in action. But there's just a few features first of all. Drive-free design, we've got 3 USB-C ports on it. It's an 8-in-1 USB-C hub, basically. It's got PD charging included or capable, basically, in the actual device. It supports 4K display output, and we've got quick USB transmission. So in this video, we'll just unbox it quickly here on the table. We'll just check it out first of all, look at the design of it, how it works. Then we'll take it next door into the office area and we'll actually use it on an actual laptop just to show it off the actual capability of it, how it works, how to use it, etc. And then we'll come back in here and we'll do a quick summary at the end just to confirm overall thoughts on the product. So first of all, let's get inside and check this out. So looks like it comes in a nice carry case, yeah, nice suede carry case. So if you want to take it on the go with you, easily put that in a bag, for example, laptop bag, but also quite portable. You can carry that quite easily. We've got a USB-C to USB-C cable by the looks of it included. Let's just check this out. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C, and then that is everything. So let's get this out with the actual carry case bag it came in. So as you can see, we've got the actual unit there itself, which unfolds, flips out, totally adjustable to fit different laptop sizes and go different angles of height. So let's show this off first of all, just quickly here, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So we'll unfold it like so, flips up, and then we've got the control or the kind of clips on the back here that just put it for different heights. Obviously you can adjust that. Let me just try and show that the best I can. So you can go quite low with it, you can come up really high, and have the laptop kind of a really high level there. We've then got the 2 fold down feet just at the bottom there, as you can see. So your laptop will stand on there. You can even use this just for a display, for a screen to go on there. If you've got a portable display perhaps, and you don't have a stand for that, this could quite easily just jump onto that there and use it as a kind of portable display unit. The actual USB-C hub element, that comes in just on the side of things down here. So you should be able to see just there, we've got tons of stuff going on there. HDMI, USB-A, USB-A, we've got SD card reader, micro SD card reader, 3 USB-C ports. Looks like one is for screen, one is for PD, and one's just a generation 1 USB-C port just on the side there. But nicely tucked into the actual side of the unit. Feels like a good build quality. This is the model Hub M57, just to confirm. As I mentioned, it's an 8-in-1 USB-C hub and laptop stand. So what we'll do, as I mentioned, we'll jump into the office. We'll set the laptop up in there. I'll get some close-ups of that. What I do have in there is a USB-C port coming from my existing monitor. So what I'll probably do is plug that into this as the actual display monitor. And then I think I'll need to connect this USB-C cable from my laptop into this, I believe. Then we should be able to do some other stuff with the other ports on the side of here. We'll check out that it picks up an SD card just to show that working, and maybe some kind of USB-C accessory. So back in a second next door and we'll get some close-up footage and show this in use. Okay, so we're coming from the studio into the office, all the way to the office. We've got the USB stand, or the 8-in-1 USB stand set up here, as you can see. HDMI cable there going from there into the actual screen. We've got some power just coming into things here as well. So we've got power to the actual dock. And this is the USB-C cable that came with the actual stand. So we're going to put the laptop onto here, plug this into the laptop, and fingers crossed, we should get some display on that HDMI cable there into the actual screen. So I'll get my laptop, which is just down there at the moment. We'll put it on there and we'll get it plugged in. Okay, as you can see, we've got the MacBook Air just on this laptop stand ready to use. So we're going to get the USB-C cable that I mentioned, the one that came with it. We'll plug this in. I can see if I do this one-handed. Okay, so we're in. Let's see what happens. So there we go. We've got extended display there. Let me just go into my display settings just to show you. So we're going to settings, go into displays, and you can see we've got the second display working well. Let me just drag something over, just drag Blender across. So there we go. Simple as that. We've gone from one screen to two screens. Really nicely positioned on this laptop stand, as I mentioned. Really good that you can obviously adjust all the angles, but that's really good now in terms of getting my laptop up off my desk, getting a much better angle there. We've got the camera height that's higher as well, and I still use my keyboard and my mouse just in front of the actual laptop with the second display. The second display is then at a better height as well for the laptop across to the second display rather than being lower. So yeah, I think the advantages of the stand are really, really good. And as I mentioned, HDMI cable just at the back there with some power and there. So what we'll do next, let me get an SD card. I think I've got one kicking around just there. So we'll plug in an SD card just to make sure that works. And then we'll summarise things at the end. Okay, so SD card is in there. It sticks out quite a bit, don't go in too deep into the actual main body, you can see there. And then on the Mac itself, SD card, sorry, it's showing just there. So just go into there. This is just camera footage I've got from my actual camera itself. So let me just show that just plays something back. Okay, let's unbox the Ultra. A bit more of a traditional box. So that's playing videos directly from the SD card, plugged into the dock down there, obviously communicating with the Mac itself through the USB-C cable. So easy to use with an SD card. There is also a micro SD card slot as well, which works exactly the same. Okay, back in the studio now, just to finish things off with this 18-1 USB-C hub. Overall, super impressed, really good build quality. As I mentioned, I think earlier in the video, you could probably take this with you quite easily. Slot this into a bag, and then you've got a USB-C hub and monitor stand, laptop stand, built into one unit. Really, really good to use like that. So overall, really pleased. As I mentioned, we've got some rubber feet on the bottom there to stop that slipping around. Nothing else really to mention, but overall, really solid product. I like the concept of having the USB hub or the hub system built into the actual stand. Saves space as well, so you sometimes, or usually, you would obviously need some kind of separate USB hub, for example, to plug stuff into, but it's built into the stand, which makes it super good. That will be really good as a selling point on its own if you are using this on the go quite a lot. So if you're traveling a lot with it and you need a hub and a stand at the same time, this would be perfect for that. So overall, really great product, some really good kind of thinking gone into the actual design of it. And yeah, overall, a really smart laptop stand that's quite basic in its function, but quite versatile in terms of what it can do. Okay, all done now with Mukiya M57 18-1 USB-C hub and laptop stand. Really impressed with the product. I'll definitely be using this on the desk in the office going forward because I can use it with my laptop and my keyboard still in front of it, but it just elevates the laptop to kind of a better angle as well. Also good for the actual camera built in. Rather than looking kind of up at your face, it's kind of looking more straight at your face because it's a little bit higher as well, which is an added bonus that I've just thought of now actually. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video, or it's at least been informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, but do let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the product, any questions about anything I've covered, any questions about anything I've not covered, drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, DIY projects, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.